Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought that it would be awesome to play with some makeup, and everything that I'm going to be playing with today I have never used on this channel, and it is brand new. Some things are still in the box. I've managed to take a lot of things out of their packaging. Everything that I have on here, I pretty much have an entire full face of new products. Some are black owned, most are black owned actually, because I did order some new things, but there's been other stuff that I've had and I have never tried, so I thought this would be the perfect time to do like a first impressions kind of video. I haven't done one of this in a really long time, and I feel like I'm one of those people that gets super duper comfortable when I find really good things, and sometimes I need to, like, you know, get myself out of that rut of using the same thing over and over and over again. So I thought I'll spice it up, you know, use a little bit something different. Literally everything that I have in front of me, I don't think I've ever used before. So yeah, so if you're excited to see what look we end up creating and see what products I'm gonna use, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so as you guys have seen, I have already filled my brows in because I'm not doing that on camera. It's too much work and it takes too long. But we're gonna go ahead and start on the face. For primer, I'm gonna be taking the Becca Backlight primer. It looks like this. I bought this primer because I saw, what is it? Her name is Tia Monet. She was using this and she really recommended it. Wow, did it just get dark? It got really dark out of nowhere. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my face. This primer smells so good, guys. And it's very, what's the word, blurring and illuminating. Like, it makes your skin just glow. Like, I don't know what it is. I think there's like little pearls in here, and it's not like shimmery. It's just very glowy. And I'm gonna go ahead and color correct using my L'Oreal concealer. I use this all the time. Okay, so our face is went ahead and color corrected. For foundation, I'm super excited to try this out. We're gonna be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. I ordered mine in the shade 310 Burkina, if that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. Sorry if I'm butchering it. But this looked the closest to my shade. And I've heard that this foundation is extremely full coverage. So let's see what Juvia's is talking about. So I just dotted a little bit on my finger, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put that on my face. Oh wow, it's like a moussey texture. It's, wow, this is interesting. I'm gonna use a beauty blender because this texture looks very thick, and I feel like this is probably what's gonna blend it out the best. And this is the e.l.f. Beauty Sponge. Will definitely say that this foundation it's pretty matte. It's extremely matte actually. The coverage is definitely there. I just haven't used a foundation like this thick in a long time, so. But I really like the way this foundation looks. It's definitely matte. Definitely matte, okay? There is no dew at all coming from my face. If you're looking for a matte foundation, this is definitely one I would recommend. Yeah, this baby is matte as hell, but this was a great color choice. It matched me actually pretty perfectly, so I'm happy about that. And for concealer, I ordered their concealer as well. So I ordered the shade 11, which looks like a pretty good shade. It looks like this beautiful golden undertone, so I think this will fit me perfectly actually. Hopefully this concealer is a little bit more creamier and not as matte, because I don't really care for super duper matte concealers. So let's see what this baby's talking about. Oh wow. It's definitely very liquidy. So I'm just gonna start with that. First of all, let's talk about how freaking huge this concealer is. You see my, like, this thing is practically half the size of my face. And you definitely get your money's worth with this. Wow, that's awesome. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out. I like the formula. So the concealer is definitely not as dry as the foundation. I will definitely say that. Definitely a lot easier to blend out. As far as the coverage goes, it is really, really good. All right, and to go ahead and bronze before I set my concealer, I'm just gonna take the L'Oreal True Match powder. It looks like this, and I'm using the color C8 Cocoa. You guys know I always use my Maybelline City bronzer, so I'm switching it up. Yes, you heard me right, I'm switching it up. So I went ahead and finished bronzing my face with my L'Oreal powder. Now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place setting powder. I ordered the shade Kalahari. This looks the best shade for me. It's a beautiful like golden yellow color. This is where shit either goes right or it goes left. So we're gonna see what side it goes to. Okay, so far so good. All right, and you guys know I don't let my bake sit for that long, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it away. So this powder is it's okay. It's not my favorite. Maybe I'll like it after I spray my face and everything comes together, but it's okay for right now. I'm gonna try to fix this by spraying my face. So, cause maybe I just need to bring some life back. Maybe I have a little too much powder. Maybe it's too matte on my face. So I'm just gonna take my Morphe setting mist and bring some moisture back. So let me scoot on closer to you guys. So far this is how my face is looking. I think on camera it looks really good. I like the way my face is looking on camera. In person, I feel like I'm a little dry. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it was the foundation, but I just feel like I'm a little dry. But I look good nonetheless, so I guess that's what matters. I'm going to use this Becca. This is a bronzer. This is in the shade Maui Nights. It looks like this. This is clearly not a bronzer for me, but I want to use it as a blush because this is a beautiful blush color, at least tones that I like. So let's see how it turns out. This being a blush, which it actually looks really nice. I like that color a lot actually. It's pretty. And for highlight, I want to try, I found this in my collection. I ordered some Kylie products forever ago and I put this away and I don't know what happened to it. I just forgot about it. But this is the Kylie Loose Pigment Highlighter. This is in the shade Fiji. And I'm gonna go right on the cap and I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, pat the rest away. I'm gonna try to keep it simple or natural, but I feel like it's gonna go in a different route. Do you see that? Oh my god, like there is no being natural with this kind of highlight. And since it is summertime, I want to be a little bit more bronzy and glowy than normal. So give me 1 second. I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill the Flare palette. I don't think I've shown this on my channel before. Like I said, this is a full video of first impressions as well as new products. This palette is very beautiful. I love this palette. It's gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix, I think, this shade and this shade, and I'm just gonna use a e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. blush brush, but I like it for highlighting because of the way it's shaped. So I'm just gonna mix these two shades together and just go over everything, and it's just gonna give it a golden, beautiful, just like overlay. Jaclyn really did a good job with these highlighters, guys. Like, I can't even front. Because my face was so matte, I want to highlight a little bit more than usual just to bring some glowness back into my skin. So now we're gonna move on to the eyes. Okay. So I just stepped away to go to use the restroom and I think I've changed my mind on this face. See, this is what happens when you do first impressions. Like, your opinion changes literally every second and throughout the whole entire video. At first, I didn't like my face. I liked it. I just felt like it was a little dry. But when I looked at it in a different room with different lighting, I actually really like the way my face looks. It looks very full coverage, very flawless. So I knew this foundation was super duper full coverage. I just had to get used to that very moussey thickness of the formula because I haven't used a foundation like that in forever. Look, Juvia, you're trying to snatch my edges, okay? Like, dang, can I keep them? But okay, now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm super excited about this part, guys, because we're gonna be playing with Miss Pat McGrath Mothership 5, baby. Yes, you heard me right, Mothership 5. I'm so excited to get I've been wanting this palette for such a long time, and I got it for my birthday. I'm so excited. Pretty sure a lot of you guys know how it looks like. I don't think the camera does it enough justice. First of all, the weight of it is just impeccable. Like, this is luxury, baby, luxury. And this is my favorite palette out of all the ones she has, maybe because it's the most wearable as well as versatile. Like, I feel like you can do so much with this. It comes with literally everything I feel like you need. But yeah, I'm not sure what we're gonna create, but I feel like we should just go ahead and jump in. So I'm gonna take this color right here as my transition, just tapping it. First of all, barely any fallout. Oh, I'm sorry, it just keeps getting dark. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, guys. And we're just going to put that all over the crease. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to put that in my outer corner. There's zero fallout. Zero fallout. Oh my God, are you guys shaking? Oh, you're shaking. There's a train. Okay, so I live right in front, like my backyard has a train behind it. So I'm so sorry. It looks like there's a mini earthquake. This is tragic. All right, finally the train has left and the earthquake has stopped, I hope. Dude, no, there's another one. All right, all the trains have left the station. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that same color that I put on my outer corner and put that on the lower lash line. So far, this is what the eyes are looking like. I think, let me swatch these. Whoa, oh my God. I know what I'm gonna put on my eyes. I just swatched a couple colors. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I think I'm gonna go in with this pink color right here and put that on my lid. I wanna just go in straight with my finger and then see how much I can cover. Oh my God, guys. Can you see that? Oh my God. How does she make these like this? So as you can see, guys, the eyes are freaking absolutely just stunning. And the fact that there's no fallout at all on the palette or on my face, that is just wild to me. But we're just gonna keep it simple with the eyes. I'm not trying to get into too much. If I'm be honest with you, it is 6:21 p.m. right now that I'm filming this, so I'm not trying to do too much, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. We are gonna be trying a mascara, guys. I will not be using my Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes or my Maybelline Big Shot. I will be using a Maybelline mascara. This is the Falsies Lash Lift. I got this from Target. I heard a bunch of good things about it, so I thought I would try a new mascara out. I like it a lot. I like, it really separates your lashes really well. I am gonna go back for a second coat because I will not be putting falsies on today. I am going for more of a kind of natural kind of look. Yeah, this is a really nice mascara. I really like it. It's really nice. I love it actually. I am going to take one more shade from the palette. Actually, I lied. I'm gonna take the shade on top of it and put that in my inner corner. It's a cool little look, cool little vibe. So as you can see, it's green, but I kind of like it. I think I'm going to take a little bit of the Kylie highlighter and put that on top. For the lips, I'm going to first line with my usual ColourPop BFF4. And then I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna go in with this Milani, what is this? A matte satin lipstick or liquid lip. I really like this. They're very, very comfortable on your lips. Doesn't feel like you have on a super drying matte lip. I'm just gonna pat that in. I like that color, and that was the color Indulge Gator. So this, my babies, is the finished look. Yeah, I really, really like this, and we're gonna go ahead and just use my all-nighter and set this face in place. Okay, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you liked seeing me try out some new stuff. Like I said, I do love the way the face turned out. The foundation at first, you know, caught me off a little bit back because of how thick it was, but after I applied it on the face and let it settle in, I really did like the way my face looked. It looks very flawless. It's very full coverage, so little goes a long way. You do not need a lot. That concealer I absolutely love. It's very creamy, very easily blendable, and it has full coverage. So I really, really do like them together. I think there's a reason why they put them together. They worked out really well. As far as everything else, I absolutely loved it. You guys saw, y'all already know about this, okay? If you love makeup, you know about this palette. So I'm not even gonna talk about it. It's a banger, it's amazing. It's coins, it's a lot of money, but I got it as a birthday gift. But if you ever really wanna like splurge on shadows, I would definitely recommend Pat McGrath shadows. Without a doubt, they're one of the best, hands down. And everything else I really like. I'm gonna make sure I link everything in the description box below, or at least write the shades and everything that I use. So if you guys want to reference and maybe try some of the things out that I used, then it'll be down there in the description box below. But besides that, I think we are done for today. Let me know what else you guys like to see, and do not forget to like and comment on this video. And last but not least, subscribe, okay? What did I say? What did I say? Subscribe, okay? So I'll see you guys on the next one, and have an amazing day. Bye.